Morning. We're at a building site and with Jeff, and we're under contract on a lot, but there was some question about how high the rock table might be, and so the town will actually require a soil bore test on this lot, which is usually a couple $1,000s to bore and then test the soil. A cheaper alternative, if you're just doing an initial test on the lot, is to do a test pit. And so Nathan came out here in his small machine, and we're gonna do a couple of test pits in the ground to see how deep the rock table is. Because if it's too high, doesn't mean we can't build, it just means that it's gonna increase the cost for developing the basement and digging in the water line and all sorts of things like that. So here we go. Let's start digging a hole and let's see how far down the rock table is. What's your money on? How deep?
18 inches.
18 inches, all right. Well, we're past 18 inches already. Sounds like rock there.
Yeah.
That's about 18 inches, 2 feet. Let's dig another hole. Again. So the question's gonna be then, do we wanna put a crawl space in rather than a full basement? Or what do we wanna do? But like Jeff mentioned, it's gonna impact the cost of putting in a water line over here all the way down to the street if you have to break up rock 150 feet back from the road, right? There's 3 quick test pits, and we're at rock 18 inches below grade. What do you think, Nathan?
Depends on what size wall you want. If you did a 4-foot wall, you wouldn't touch it because you got to bring it up anyway based on the road.
And you can pin it.
Yeah.
Pin it to the rock. But what do you think about getting through the rock for a water line all the way back to the street?
I mean, it's possible. You can definitely do it. It's just a lot more work, you know, because you got to be 4.5 foot minimum, 5 foot. Yeah, I mean, they went through water line over there. It's doable. I did grab a piece of it right here. It all depends. If you can get into a seam, you can dig it. If you go against the seam, you gotta bust it.
So here's the question now. We're gonna have to think about cost and bringing the water line in, and whether we want to go with a crawl space. And if that's not doable, well, if the cost is higher to do the water line and all sorts of things, we're under contract now to buy the land, so we could potentially go back to the seller and ask for a concession in order to cover that additional cost, or we might decide to opt out on the purchase. So then, of course, if you're building or if you're digging test pits on a property that's not yours, you want to make sure you fill them in and level it out. And you also want to make sure you have prior permission to do the test pits. Any questions, comments, let me know.